Hello, I'm Alex Eagle, the Master of Runes. In this video we will dive deep into the rune formula Fehu Fehu Fehu. This formula will bring you new insights into your financial possibilities and energies. Later in the video I will show you how to activate it and how to use it. This formula consists out of 3 Fehu runes. The rune Fehu is the first rune of Elder Fusark and it represents a new stage, a new beginning. It represents you making steps into new directions, into new destinies and into new possibilities. Those will require you to grow and to adapt new energies into your life. Because this rune is used 3 times, its energy is multiplied, so the effects of this rune formula might be a little bit too strong, but sometimes exactly such hardcore approaches are needed. This powerful energy will uncover all the problems that you have with your financial energies, with your financial channels. So be warned, when you activate this rune formula, it may lead to unpleasant situations in your life related to money, and those will force you to pay attention to your lack of understanding, to your lack of your worldview related to money. Said simply, this energy will forcefully shove your nose into those areas of your being where you are imperfect, and it will force you to improve. So if you are brave, you can try it. An appropriate incantation for this rune formula could sound like this. By the power of the triple rune Fehu, I invite a fresh start and a powerful new beginning, a revision of my financial energies, for I require a change in my life and I am willing to go through discomfort in order to evolve and grow into a better version of myself. So be it. By the way, if you don't know the meanings of the runes, go get my free rune PDF file where you can find all the meanings of all the runes. And also it has some rune formulas that you can use to activate, to create amulets for health, for success, for protection, for money, for male and female energies. Also it has the main rune divination spreads that you can use for divination. Now to activate a runic amulet you can use the next simple ritual. Have your amulet with the drawn runes on it, place it on the table, then take a candle and put it on top of the runic amulet, then say your incantation, then you light the candle and let it burn down completely in one go, without blowing it out. After that, when the candle is burned, your amulet is ready to use, you can carry it with you or hide it in some secret place where no one will find it. If you need more detailed instructions on how to use the runes, go get my Rune Magick Quick Start course. Also, I have a guided rune study group on my Patreon. Each week I share one rune, meditation and homework to connect with the rune.